All right, just turn the recorder on. Today is, what is it, Thursday? Thursday, March 21, 2024. And I would say offhand, the market is bullish. If you are a bear, you best get out of the way because this train's going to run you over. And you know what? I truly believe that. And I believe there's bears out there that believe this market is going to crash one day. And I absolutely agree with them. One day it will. In the meantime, what I would like to do is everybody that starts pitching some bearish malarkey, I would like you to stand up and say, prove it by showing me the bearish trade you put on. So if they're pitching that the SPY is going to crash, prove it by showing me the bearish trade you put on. Or is it just yik yak you're talking about? And I think what you're going to find, it's just yik yak they're talking about. It's just, it's one of those things. What they'll come back with is, oh, I'm bullish, but I'm bullish only if, the covering your ass kind of a thing. I do the same thing. I'm bullish until the trend changes. Covered my ass right there. Same thing. So just like I say, if you're a bear, you best get out of the way because that it's going to hurt when the train hits you. Anyway, bulls rock on. I forget who it was. Fred. Let's give credit to Fred. Fred said 521. Fred accomplished that. Way to go, Fred. And then we have our conscience up here. At 529. This is a real person. It's not me. It is a real person. At 529. I'll adjust that in a bit. But to me, it looks like that's going to win as well. So 2 thumbs up. I would have to say bullishness is where we should be looking, not short. I don't think it's healthy to short a bull market, but yet some people do. Qs did very well yesterday, and now we're looking like we're breaking out. Diamonds popping up yesterday. Looks like we're holding up pretty good. IWM did a fantastic day yesterday, and it's holding up. Fantastic to me simply means price is leading the T-line, T-line is leading the trend indicator. That simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. You don't have to overblow it. You don't need 101 indicators. All you need to do is look at this chart, and you can tell who's winning the game. Now, this is for a short-term swing trader, okay? If you're long-term or something like that, well, the game might change for you just a little bit. Whoops, what did I just do? Hold on here. Darn it. I can't believe I just did that. Well, let's do this a different way. There we go. Move. We'll put that right there. I've got a few stocks to take a look at. We'll have a lot more when the market opens because the scanner will throw them right out to us. What we don't want to do today is chase. What we want to try to do is look for those charts that's lagging behind a little bit, setting up in our chart pattern that we like for an entry. Be careful. It's markets like this. You could get caught into that fear of missing out, and you'll start chasing things. You kind of want to be careful with that. Let's take a look at MSOS. I think this is one that's looking good. A lot of the pot stocks are setting up and looking good. And here we have a low, high, and now we're putting in a higher low. We're also, we're above the 50-period moving average. I think that is a plus. Once the T-line and the trend indicator move above the 50-period moving average, then I would think that will also be a plus. So right now we've got a nice little pullback here. I'll be watching for an entry on this and then watch this thing rock higher. Target-wise, targets are the easiest thing in the world. There is nothing easier in trading than figuring out targets. And it's simply where price has had a change before. So like a high, and if that is the high, that means there was a low, that means there was a change. So there's the change, here's the change. Those make for terrific target areas. NVIDIA. We should probably talk about NVIDIA because I think that's the company or the chart to talk about. And you can see that it's still trending. You can see that price is above the T-line. T-line is above the trend indicator. Bulls are still very interested in it. There's a lot of talk about NVIDIA getting to $1,000. Why would you argue with that? Why would anybody argue with that? Doesn't make sense. However, when it reaches $1,000, maybe make an argument, because that could be the number that it just wants to go to because that's what everybody thinks. It goes there, and then maybe it has a little pullback. I'm not saying it's going to pull back, but I'll certainly be watching it at $1,000. Some of the gold, the silver stocks are setting up. Here's one. NEM is setting up. This is a rounded bottom breakout, by the way. T-line, trend indicator above the 50-period moving average. That is a 2 thumbs up for me. Trend indicator is green. Another thumb up. Price is leading the T-line. T-line is leading the trend indicator. Another thumb up. Good candle pattern. Why would somebody, and when I say why would somebody not want to buy this, later today, anytime today, I would love to hear from somebody that says this chart is no good because, okay, later today, just email me. This chart is no good because, and tell me why. I'd like to know. LAC is back in the game. We made a nice penny on LAC when it popped up here. Here it's pulled back right to the trend indicator. We've put a Morningstar signal in, and now we've got a little inside day so far this morning. So let's see what this does. I'll be very interested in buying this. I'm very much in the buying mood on this chart. Can't say it's going to be today. I want to watch this chart pattern here, and I also want to watch what the market is doing. Skin. I know a lot of people are already in skin. That looks fantastic. Skin may need a little rest right in here. That's okay. That's what we dream for. That's what we dream for. We dream for stocks to move up and then rest. We dream for those. That is our wheelhouse right there. So go ahead, pull back a little bit, and then get bullish again. May not pull back all the way there. Maybe a very short-lived pullback before it starts moving up again. So stock-wise, let's see if something's popping up on the scanner. Let's see what tech. Here's tech moving up in the pre-market based on the scanner. Nice little J-hook setting up. Probably going to need a breakout there. Let's see. Richter is looking at SWBI long. Is that right? Long, yep. Nice pop. Here we have a pullback. I agree. Yeah, let's wait for that to set up a little bit. You have a 3/8 trap right now. Yeah, I'm going to flag that. We'll keep an eye on it. Thank you. Gabe, you're an ABT short. One of those people that's going to short the market, even though the market is ripping everyone's head off bullish. That's okay. If you see the short, you trade the short. The trend is still down. Price is below the T-line. T-line is below the trend indicator. We're below the 50-period moving average. So it makes sense. It makes sense. Careful that it doesn't catch air, though. Catch air and start moving up. What else? Let's look at the scanner here. How about SQ? Look at SQ setting up. This is coming up on my, I have a scanner alert that shows trending charts with a 2-bar low reversing. And that's what this is. So you can see the trend. That's what I'm looking for in trend. And you can see the 2-bar low. You might even be counting this bar here. There's your 2-bar low, and then you see your reversing. So trend, 2-bar low, reverse. SQ setting up. I don't know if Lily is trying. Look at Lily trying to move up here. Okay, sweet. Gabe is saying he went along some DD yesterday. Nice chart. Look at the consolidation right there. Trend, we talked about that yesterday. All bullish charts, every one, 1,000% of charts that have a long-term trend, every single one of them are going to have this setup. And that's where it rallies and consolidates. See how it rallies and consolidates. See how we rally up, consolidate. Now, some rallies and consolidates are sloppier than others, no doubt about it. Here we rally, you see we consolidate, and we kind of consolidate before it rallies again. So some are sloppier, no doubt about it. But every single chart, every single one, there is no exception to this rule, that a long-term trend, and this is what we want to look for. Grab a hold of some of that for that next move up, and that's where we make our money. Okay, I'm about out of time. Thanks, everybody, for helping out, filling in some time here with your ideas. Please do remember that members today in the members room, all three of us, myself, Doug, and John will be over there. We have a topic for today. Topic's basically going to be moving averages, and we'll see you then, okay? Everyone take care. Thank you.